from Makati to Alabang, and soon all the way to Balintawak. There's a bright road ahead. The Metro Manila Skyway Stage 3 project. Skyway Stage 3 is part of our continuing commitment to provide our motorists faster and safer travel to various destinations in and out of the metropolis. It all began with Stage 1 and 2, the 30-kilometer elevated and at-grade speedway from the premier CBD of Makati to Alabang, Muntinlupa, operational since 1999, with 8 access points in Makati, Pasay, Parañaque, and Muntinlupa that serve as a gateway to South Manila, South Luzon, and the International Airport. As an extension of Skyway Stage 1 and 2, Stage 3 spans 14.8 kilometers of 2x3 elevated tollway that connects SLEX and NLEX across the densely populated center of Metro Manila. With Stage 3, it is now possible to travel from South Luzon to Central Luzon and vice versa without passing through the streets of Metro Manila. Built for speed and safety. Instead of 2 hours, Balintawak becomes reachable in 15 minutes, coming from Buendia, Makati, traveling at 100 kilometers per hour on well-maintained and well-lighted roads that match international standards. Built for convenience. Skyway Stage 3 has 8 strategic access points found in 1. Buendia Osmeña, for motorists to and from Makati and San Andres. 2. Quirino, serves as northbound entry for motorists coming from Taft Avenue and Aurora Boulevard. 3. Nagtahan, provides access to and from Pandacan, Lagarda, and España. At Plaza Dilao, there is a separate entry for motorists coming from United Nations Avenue Extension. 4. Aurora Boulevard, serves motorists to and from Santa Mesa, Cubao, San Juan, and Mandaluyong. Southbound motorists enter at Araneta Avenue near SM Centerpoint, while those heading north exit at V Mapa. 5. E. Rodriguez, for motorists to and from New Manila, Camuning, and South and East Triangles. 6. Quezon Avenue, serves motorists to and from España and Barangays Lourdes, Santa Mesa Heights, Frisco, and West and North Triangles. 7. Sergeant Rivera, serves motorists to and from the Manila ports, Rizal Avenue, and A. Bonifacio. 8. Balintawak, for motorists to and from NLEX, Caloocan, Valenzuela, and Project 7 and 8. All these 8 access points are designed to accommodate the diverse travel patterns in the metropolis, provide an alternate route to decongest EDSA and the major thoroughfares along its vicinity. We made sure that the public roads along its alignment shall continue to have the same number of lanes, so even non-users of Stage 3 benefit from its operation. Create new public transport routes, giving more travel options to commuters and stretching the capacity of the existing public transport systems. Built with quality. For Stage 3, similar construction methods that had allowed Stage 1 and 2 to be completed safely, with exceptional quality and within schedule, would be adopted. Even with very limited working space, all these would be achieved with minimum disruption to traffic flow through the use of Sosrobahu, an Indonesian technology of rotating pierhead that means 1,000 shoulders in Javanese. Sosrobahu allows the overhead construction of the elevated tollway without closing off the road below. It will be utilized in Stage 3 construction, where the alignment would pass through the wide corridors of Osmeña Avenue, Quirino Avenue, Araneta Avenue, Sergeant Rivera, and A. Bonifacio. After topographical survey and geotechnical testing to determine the optimal subsurface design and specifications, the columns are erected. The frictionless rotating device, or sostrabahu, is then installed on top of the column where the pier head is constructed, not perpendicular, but parallel to the road below. After the specified drying period, the pier head is rotated to become amazingly perpendicular to the road. Once the pier head is locked in place, the prefabricated girders that would serve as the natural frame will be installed to support the other structures of the skyway. From there, the diaphragms, deck slabs, parapets, median, curbs, and railings will be put into place. Finally, the deck would be laid with asphalt to give the road a smooth riding surface. Like Stage 1 and 2, Stage 3 would comply and even surpass the international and local quality, safety, and seismic standards set by the American Association of State Highways and Transportation Officials, or AASHTO, and the Department of Public Works and Highways, or DPWH. Built with innovation. A first in the Philippines, the double-deck feature of Stage 3 reduces the right-of-way requirement of the project. Vehicles heading north occupy the first or lower deck, while vehicles heading south use the second or upper deck. Built for progress. As part of the entire Skyway system, Stage 3 would connect the major thoroughfares to the tollways south and north of Metro Manila, namely SLEX and STAR, NLEX, SCTEX, and TPLEX. And eventually, the new speedway projects of Ninoy Aquino International Expressway, or NAIAX, that connects to Cavitex, Cavite-Laguna Expressway, or CALAX, the extension of SLEX to Lucena, Quezon, dubbed TR4, and Skyway Stage 4, or the Metro Manila East Expressway, or MMX, that links FTI Taguig to the Batasan Pambansa Complex in Quezon City. Thus, Stage 3 would fuse the strong economies of Calabarzon, Mega Manila, and Central Luzon that accounts for 62% or $150 billion of the country's GDP in 2011. There would be an increase in the economic interaction among these dynamic regions that drive the country's growth. By providing faster accessibility, mobility, and connectivity in and out of Metro Manila from all directions, Stage 3 would boost economic development, increase productivity, and improve the quality of life. Opening to serve you in 36 months. The Metro Manila Skyway Stage 3. The bright road ahead.